Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity and craftsmanship come together to create beautiful and functional pieces. Whether you're a complete novice or have some experience, woodworking offers endless opportunities for exploration and self-expression. Here, you will learn the fundamentals of crafting with wood, from selecting materials to mastering essential techniques. This journey not only allows you to create unique items, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. As you embark on this crafting adventure, you'll discover that woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a fulfilling way to channel your creativity and develop practical skills. Each project is an opportunity to learn and grow, whether you're making simple items or tackling more complex designs. So grab your tools, unleash your imagination, and let's dive into the rewarding world of woodworking together. Thank you for joining us on this woodworking journey. We hope you found the information and tips shared in this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more engaging and informative videos that can guide you in your woodworking endeavors. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone looking to start their crafting journey. By sharing, you not only help us reach more people, but also inspire others to explore the wonderful world of woodworking. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and tips. And remember, your feedback is always welcome. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Embarking on wood crafting as a beginner can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Woodworking allows for creativity while also providing practical skills and knowledge about materials. Starting with simple projects fosters confidence and encourages exploration. As beginners engage with the craft, they discover the versatility of woodworking, where each piece can serve a functional purpose while also showcasing their personal style. This multifaceted approach to crafting not only enhances one's living space, but also creates a sense of accomplishment that can inspire further projects. Understanding the types of wood available is essential for beginners. Softwoods like pine and cedar are often more forgiving due to their workability. These woods are lighter, easier to cut, and typically less expensive, making them ideal for novice crafters. On the other hand, hardwoods like oak and maple, while offering durability and aesthetic appeal, can be more challenging to work with. Beginners should start with softwoods to practice basic techniques, cutting, sanding, and joining, without becoming overwhelmed by the hardness of more advanced materials. This foundational knowledge will inform future choices as skills develop. Safety is a paramount concern in woodworking. Beginners should prioritize using safety glasses, gloves, and dust masks to protect against potential injuries and inhalation of harmful particles. A well-ventilated workspace is also crucial, especially when using finishes or adhesives that may emit fumes. Familiarizing oneself with the tools and their proper handling is essential to prevent accidents. Understanding safety protocols not only ensures a secure crafting environment, but also builds confidence in using tools effectively, allowing for a more enjoyable experience overall. Planning is a critical step in any woodworking project. Before diving into crafting, sketching out designs and dimensions can clarify the project's goals. This strategic approach allows for a visual representation of the end product, serving as a reference throughout the process. A well-thought-out plan helps minimize material waste by ensuring accurate cuts and a more efficient use of resources. Taking the time to plan thoroughly can save frustration later on, making the crafting experience smoother and more enjoyable. Basic tools are sufficient for many simple wood crafts, making it accessible for beginners. Essential tools include a handsaw, hammer, and clamps, which can be used to create a range of functional items. Starting with hand tools encourages a deeper understanding of the craft, as beginners learn to manipulate materials without relying on power tools. As skills develop, additional tools like power drills and sanders can be introduced, but the foundational skills gained with hand tools lay the groundwork for more complex projects in the future. Joining techniques are fundamental to woodworking and crucial for beginners to master. Simple methods such as butt joints and lap joints provide strong connections between pieces and are relatively easy to execute. These basic joints allow beginners to focus on assembly without becoming overwhelmed by intricate joinery techniques. As they gain confidence, learners can explore more sophisticated methods. But starting with the fundamentals ensures a solid foundation in woodworking skills. Finishing touches can significantly enhance the quality of a project. Basic sanding smooths rough edges and surfaces, while applying wood finishes can highlight the natural grain and provide protection. Water-based finishes are particularly user-friendly, offering easy cleanup and low odor, making them ideal for beginners. Experimenting with different finishes allows crafters to discover what best suits their style and the specific characteristics of the wood used, adding a personal touch to each piece. Time management is an important aspect of woodworking that beginners should learn early on. Some projects may take longer than expected, especially when learning new skills. Approaching each task with patience and allotting ample time can prevent feelings of frustration or being rushed. Embracing a slower pace allows for greater attention to detail and encourages a more thorough learning process, ultimately leading to more satisfying results. Learning from mistakes is an integral part of the woodworking journey. Every crafter encounters challenges, from miscuts to assembly issues. Rather than viewing these setbacks as failures, beginners should see them as opportunities for growth. Reflecting on what went wrong and how to correct it fosters resilience and enhances problem-solving skills. This mindset not only improves technical abilities, but also builds confidence in one's capacity to tackle future projects. Joining local woodworking groups or online communities can provide invaluable support and inspiration. These platforms allow beginners to share their experiences, seek advice, and learn from others who may have faced similar challenges. Engaging with fellow woodworkers can spark new ideas and encourage collaboration on projects, creating a sense of camaraderie within the crafting community. Sharing successes and learning from others can make the woodworking journey more enriching and enjoyable. As you immerse deeper into woodworking, you might find yourself exploring various styles and techniques that resonate with your creative vision. Experimentation is a vital part of this process, allowing you to discover what truly inspires you. Trying out different woodworking methods, such as carving, joinery, or even mixed media, can open new avenues for creativity. This exploration not only enhances your skill set, but also helps you develop a distinctive style that sets your work apart. Embracing this journey of experimentation encourages you to step outside your comfort zone and take risks, which can lead to unexpected and beautiful results. Participating in these events not only promotes your work, but also allows you to contribute to the local arts and crafts scene. By showcasing your creations, you're helping to foster a vibrant community that values handmade goods and supports local artisans. This involvement can create a sense of belonging and purpose as you become part of a larger movement that appreciates craftsmanship and creativity. Your participation may also inspire others to explore woodworking or other crafts, further enriching the community and creating a legacy of creativity. Moreover, joining workshops or classes can significantly enhance your woodworking skills. Learning from experienced artisans provides hands-on experience and invaluable insights that books or videos may not offer. These educational opportunities often foster a collaborative environment where you can ask questions, receive immediate feedback, and observe techniques in action. Engaging with others in a structured setting can accelerate your learning process and introduce you to new tools and materials that you might not have considered otherwise. This commitment to continuous learning can greatly enrich your journey as a woodworker. As you build your skill set and confidence, consider setting specific goals for your woodworking projects. These goals can range from mastering a particular technique to completing a specific item within a set time frame. Having clear objectives not only provides motivation, but also gives your woodworking practice a sense of direction. Tracking your progress toward these goals can be incredibly satisfying, reinforcing your commitment to improvement and personal growth. This goal-oriented approach can transform your crafting experience from casual projects into a focused pursuit of mastery. Additionally, sharing your knowledge with others can be a fulfilling way to give back to the woodworking community. Whether through teaching a class, mentoring a fellow crafter, or simply sharing tips online, imparting your skills can be incredibly rewarding. Teaching others not only reinforces your understanding of the craft, but also fosters a supportive environment where everyone benefits. This sense of community and collaboration enriches the woodworking experience, creating bonds that go beyond individual projects and encouraging a culture of shared learning. Incorporating technology into your woodworking practice can also enhance your creativity and efficiency. From design software that allows you to visualize projects before starting to online platforms for sharing ideas and tutorials, technology can significantly streamline your workflow. Many woodworkers utilize digital tools for drafting plans or managing inventory, which can help keep your projects organized. Exploring these technological advancements can inspire new approaches to your craft, allowing you to innovate and adapt in ways that align with modern trends. Finally, the joy of woodworking lies in the ability to create something functional and beautiful. Each crafted piece tells a story, reflecting the time, effort, and skill invested in its creation. The satisfaction derived from seeing a project come to life is unparalleled, making woodworking a fulfilling hobby for anyone willing to embrace the journey. This practice not only cultivates creativity and technical skills, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the art of crafting. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found the content helpful and inspiring for your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, as this will keep you updated on our latest projects and tips. Your likes and shares mean a lot to us, as they help spread the love for woodworking to a wider audience. By sharing this video, you can inspire friends and fellow enthusiasts to embark on their own crafting adventures. We're excited to continue this journey with you, so stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't hesitate to leave your thoughts or suggestions in the comments.